In this video, I'll show you how to display what you're listening to on Spotify in your Discord profile. If I tap on my profile, you'll notice that it doesn't currently show the song I'm listening to on Spotify. To make this work, follow these steps. First, tap on the settings icon in the bottom left of Discord to open User Settings. In the left-hand menu, find and select Connections. Here you'll see a list of all the different types of accounts you can link to Discord. Look for the Spotify logo and tap on it. This will open a web browser where you'll need to log into your Spotify account. If you're already logged in, the connection will happen automatically. Now, back in Discord, make sure both Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status options are switched on. With these enabled, your current Spotify activity will show on your profile. Let's test it out. I'll start playing a song on Spotify. Now, when I go back to Discord and tap on my profile, you can see it displays my Spotify status, showing the song I'm listening to in real time. And that's it. If this guide helped you, please drop a like below. Thanks for watching, and peace.